Sandeep Singh. And hello everyone, my name is Sandeep Singh and currently I am studying in SBC Bangalore. My branch is Information Science and Engineering, and today I am going to tell you about Introduction to Cloud Computing and Architecture. Cloud computing architecture is the structure of a cloud computing system, encompasses its component and the relationship between them. It defines how various aspects such as networking, storage and server works together to deliver computer services to user. The architecture provides the foundation of the deployment and operation of cloud-based application and services. Next, we will move to the types of cloud computing models. First one is public cloud. A public cloud is a type of a computing in which a service provider makes resources such as application and storage available to the general public on the internet. Example including Amazon Web Services, AWS and Microsoft Azure. Private cloud. A private cloud computing delivers similar advantage to the public cloud, including scalability and service, but through a priority architecture. It is operated slowly for a single organization, whether managed internally or by a third provider. Hybrid cloud. A hybrid cloud is a computing environment that combines a public cloud and private cloud by allowing a data and application to share between them. This model provides business with a more deployment option and greater flexibility. Components of cloud computing and architecture. First one is server. In cloud architecture, servers are used to host and manage applications, databases and files. They are responsible for processing and responding the user request. Second one is storage. Cloud computing refers to the storage of the data online in cloud. It maintained, operated and managed by a cloud storage service provider on a storage server that are built on a visualization techniques. Third one is networking. Networking in cloud computing refers to the practice of interconnecting the various computing resources to ensure smooth data transfer, access and communication across the cloud. Visualization in the cloud computing. First one is server visualization. Server visualization enables multiple operating systems to run a single physical server as a virtual machine, reducing hardware cost and improving efficiency. Network visualization. Network visualization involves combining hardware and software network resources and networking functionality into a single software-based administrative entity. Third one is storage visualization. Storage visualization abstract logical storage for physical storage, allowing multiple storage devices to be pooled together or managed as a single resource. Scalability and elasticity in a cloud computing. Scalability. Horizontal scaling. Horizontal scaling involves adding more machines to a network, such as adding more servers to accommodate a growth amount of work. Elasticity. On-demand resource allocation. Elasticity refers to the ability of a cloud service to expand or decrease based on operational demand, ensuring the consumption of the resource needed. Next, we will move to the security consideration in the cloud computing architecture. First one is data privacy. Ensuring that the sensitive data is protected and maintaining integrity, confidentiality and availability are circular aspect of cloud security. Compliance management. Managing compliance with various industry and government regulation to prevent unauthorized access to our data branches. Identity and access management. Implement robust user authentication and authorized process to prevent data breaches and protect against insider threats. Next, we will move to the case study of the cloud computing architecture implementation. First one is company migration. Challenges and successful in migration that existing infrastructure to the cloud while maintaining operational continuity. Second one is scalability solution. Implementing scalable architecture in a real-world scenario to meet growing user and demand traffic spikes. Third one is security integration. Case study of implementation robust security measure aligned with industry best practices and standard in a cloud environment. Future trends in the cloud computing architecture. Edge computing, quantum computing integration, AI in cloud environment. Edge computing. The trend toward the processing data closer to the secure to reduce latency and enhance real-time processing applicable to diverse industries. Quantum computing integration, exploring the potential synergy of quantum computing with cloud architecture for solving complex problems and enhancing data processing capabilities. AI in cloud environments, the integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning into cloud infrastructure for predictive analytics, automation and data-driven decision making. Thank you everyone. Hope you like this video.